Right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to IQ Test. So we have a question. Let's give our answers. So we have a lemon plus watermelon is 24. Then we have a mushroom plus the lemon. Mushroom is equal to the lemon. Then we have that and that. So guys, what is our answer here? Let's comment our answer in the live chat. So what do we have? Guys, what do we have for this? Guys, what do we have? Who has the answer for this one? Who has the answer for us? Okay, so for those of us who are watching, what do we think is the value for the last one? What is the value for the lemon? So I'm getting the lemon. My lime or my lemon, I am getting 16. For the lemon or lime, I am getting 16. For the watermelon, I am getting 8. The watermelon, I am getting 8. So what do you have? Share yours with me. Anyone with their answer? Okay. So for this fruit, I'm getting 0. This is 0. And then for the mushroom, I am getting 16. So for the mushroom, I am getting 16. Okay. So Colina is saying 24 is true. Yes, so my final answer is 16 minus 8 plus 16 plus 16 plus 0, and that will give me, and that is equal to 24, as rightly said by Colina. So Colina, you are right. Are you okay? So that is the correct answer. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, let's look at the next one that we have. Okay, so what is our answer over here? Guys, please let's not forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel. All right. So what do we have for the triangle? What do we have for the square? So who has the answer for us? Yes, so our red triangle is 8 exactly. You are right. The red triangle is 8. You are right. So what do you have for the square? The blue square? The red triangle is 8, is true. Yes, the blue square is 4 exactly. That is also correct. So the next one is the orange circle. So what do we have for the orange circle? You are getting 2. So the blue one is 4 minus the orange, which is x, is equal to 10 minus the red triangle, which is 8. So we have 10 minus 8 on this side. That will give us 2. 4 here minus x. So here will be x will be equal to 4 minus 2. So this is equal to 2. Yes, so the orange circle is 2. You are right. So what is the final answer? So the final one, we are just to add all of them. Okay, so the total is 14. You are right. The total is 14. Very good. Very good. All right. So let's look at the next question. So this is the next question we have. So we have 3 apples is equal to 18. So what do we have? Yes, the apple is 6, is true. Banana is 4. Yes, it's 4. But one is 1 each. But as a bundle, it's 4. I agree. Okay. So what are you having for the cherry? The cherry you are getting 2, which is true. Okay, which is true. Which is 2. It's true. So you will have 2 plus the apple, which is 6, plus 3 of the banana. Paulina, look at the banana. The banana is 3 in this case, not 4. So it's supposed to be 11. Paulina, are you looking at it? The banana on the first one was 4 on the branch. So that is how come it is 4. But in the final question, it is 3. Can you see that? So the 2 cherry is 2. That is correct. The apple is 6, making it 8. The banana, 1 piece is 1. Colina, look at the picture very well. The first picture, the second equation, we have 1 banana each. On a bundle, it is 4. So it means 1 piece is 1. Can you see? On a bundle, it is 4. But in the last picture, we have 3 pieces instead of 4 pieces. I hope you can see it. I am getting 11. The banana, if you look at the second equation, the apple plus 4 banana is equal to 14. So if 1 banana is 1 each, then the bundle over there is 8 plus the apple, which is 6, that is equal to 14. So it means 1 banana is 1. The bundle, which is 4, will give you the total of 4. But in the last question, we have 3 banana over there instead of 4. So you need to pay attention to that. So the answer here is 11. The final answer is 11. I hope that is understood. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. So this is the next one that we have. Yes, I'm glad you saw the difference. Yes, yes. Okay, so now we have this picture over here. Let's have a look at it. So, Colina, is the okay? The 6 is for the flowers. Okay, the 3 is for the apple. I agree. So, what of the caterpillar? The 6 is for the flower. Okay, the 3 is for the apple. Okay, what of the caterpillar? What are you getting for the caterpillar? Guys, anyone with the answer for the caterpillar? Remember, the caterpillar plus itself minus itself is equal to 8. So it's just like x plus x minus x is equal to 8. So you are going to have 2x minus x is equal to 8. So yes, the first and then the second one will cancel out. So you only have one. Yes, so the caterpillar is 8. So what is the flower plus the caterpillar multiplied by the apple? What is the answer? Nope. Colina, look at it again. You use board mass over here, board mass. So you do your multiplication first before you do your addition. So you are going to have 6 for the flower plus 8 for the caterpillar multiplied by 3 for the apple. So the first one you are supposed to do the multiplication. So you have 6 plus 8 multiplied by 3. So your 8 multiplied by 3 will give you something before you add the 6 to it. So 17 is not the answer. Look at the arrangement of the last question. It is flower plus caterpillar multiplied by apple. So we need to do the multiplication first. Yes, so the final answer is 30, correct. The final answer is 30. You are right. Very good. Now let's move on to the next one. IQ test. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. So this is the next one that we have. So the butterfly is 6, I agree. So 9 is for the larvae, it's true. Okay. 10 is for the honeybee, yes. So Colina, pay a close attention to the last question. You have 2 caterpillar multiplied by 1 butterfly plus 2 bee, 2 bees. So 2 larvae multiplied by 1 butterfly plus 2 bees. Okay, so take that into consideration when you are multiplying and adding. You have 64, no. So what do you have? Like I said, pay a look at, we have 2 larvae. So 1 larvae is 8, 2 is going to be, 1 larvae is 9, 2 is going to be 2 times 9, which is 18. So you have 18 multiplied by the butterfly, which is 6, plus you have 2 bees. 1 bee is 10, so 2 is going to be 20. So you are supposed to have 18 multiplied by 6 plus 20. 18 multiplied by 6 plus 20. So you need to do the multiplication first. 18 multiplied by 6 plus 20. So your answer will be more than 64. So Colina, what do you have? What do you have as your new answer? Remember, pay close attention to the images. You have 2 larvae multiplied by 1 butterfly plus 2 honeybees. So the 2 larvae, 1 is 9, so 2 will give you 18, multiplied by the butterfly. The butterfly is 6, so 18 times 6, plus the bees, 1 is 10, so 2 will be 20. So you are supposed to have 18 multiplied by 6 plus 20. Okay, so this is what we will have. We have 2 larvae so you are supposed to have 2 into brackets 9 multiplied by 6, then multiplied by 2 into brackets 2 into brackets 10. Okay, which will give you which will give you 128 as the answer. Please, I hope you get it. Colin, I hope you get it. Yes, yeah, all right, awesome. So these questions are a little bit tricky, and the trick is all about paying close attention to the number of images at the last end or as the question. Pay attention to the numbers. Sometimes the way the drawing is, you might think it is one, but sometimes it's two or three. So just pay attention to that and you are good to go. Awesome. Let's look at the next one. So this is the next one that we have. Ah, it's not your network, I can tell. Sorry about that. I think when your network is not too good, the pictures look a little bit blurry, so you are unable to see. I agree. But try this one. So what are you getting for the red flower? So red flower is 20, okay? Okay, so the red flower is 20. What are you getting for the blue? What are you getting for the yellow flower? So the red flower is 20. What are you getting for the blue? So if the blue flower is 5, okay? So the blue flower is 5, okay? I agree with that one. The blue is 5. So what are you getting for the yellow flower? Remember the yellow flower on the third equation, blue minus 2 yellow flower. So what is the value of 1? Yes, 1 yellow flower is 1. So please, what is the final answer? This one you just add all. 1 plus 20 plus 5. 1 plus 20 plus 5. Yes, the yellow is 1. I agree. So what is your final answer? Guys, who has the answer for the last question? What is your final answer? 26. Very good. So that is correct. 100%. All right. So let's have a look at the next one. So this is what we have for the next one. Yes, the flamingo is 5. The koala is what? The koala is 9. I agree. Then what of the tiger? Yes, the tiger is 2. Very good. You are correct. 100%. Okay. So very good. You are doing great. All right, let's look at the next one. Test your IQ, challenge your brain, and let me see if you can solve this or not. Okay, the bush is 4. Okay, the potted plant is 4. I agree. The mushroom is 1. I agree. The coconut tree is 5. Yes, I agree. I agree. So, again, you are right. 100%. All right. Awesome. All right. So, let's have a look at the next one. Okay. Yes, I agree. The blue crystal is 6. Yes, I agree. And then the gift is 3. Yes, I agree. I agree. So you are once again correct. All right. So let's move on to the next one. Yes. So the grapes are 15. I agree. The chicken is what? Yes. The chicken is 5. I agree. The chicken is 5. I agree. So what do you have for the corn? Yes, the corn is 1. I agree. So what is the final answer? What is your final answer? 75. Very true. So 75 is the final answer. So you are right. So let's have a look at the next one. Now this one looks a little tricky. So let's see if we can solve it. Colina, can you give me the answer? 4 plus 0 minus 1. Is that what you are getting? So can you tell me for the green crown what you have, for the yellow crown what you have, the blue crown what you have, and for the emoji what you have? Can you show me what you have for each of them? Colina, please share with me what you have for each. So for the green crown, what do you have? For the blue crown, what do you have? For the yellow crown, what do you have? Okay. So I'm also solving it. This one is a little bit tricky. So anyone from the audience? Okay. So I am getting 7. I am getting 7. I am getting 7, but I have to form a lot of equations for this. So my answer is 7, but I have to form a lot of equations to solve. So we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so let's try this one. Yes, the bulb is 4. I agree. The padlocks is 7. Okay. So out of the key, so Corina, what are you getting for the key? So our bulb, one bulb is 4. I agree. Then the padlock, one is 7. I agree. So what are you having for the key? Right, the key is also 4. Very good. Very good. So what is the final answer? So what are we getting for the final answer? 32. You are right. 32. Very good. 32. Let's look at the next one. So this is the next one. Okay, yes. The diamond is 5. The cubes are 3, is true. The orb, the magical orb there is 4, is true. So we have the diamond 5 multiplied by the cube 3 plus the orb, which is 4. So what are we getting as the final answer? Yes, 19 is the final answer. Okay, so you are 100% right. Nice one. All right, so let's have a look at the next question. Yes, the track is 4. Yes. Yes, the brick wall is 5. I agree. The tools are 3. I agree. So we have the track, which is 4, multiplied by the wall, which is 5, plus the tools, which is 3. So the answer is 23. You are correct. Are you okay? Very good. So let's look at the next one. So the owl is 3. I agree. The fruit over there, whatever that might be, is 4. I agree. The squirrel is 6. I agree. Okay, so yes, the correct answer is 18. Okay, you are right. It's 18. Let's look at this one. Okay, so what are you getting for the burger? What are you getting for the fries? What are you getting for the hot dog? Can you break it down for us? Colina, can you break it down for us? 56 for the fries. Okay. So what do you have for the burger? What do you have for the hot dog? I'm also still solving because I have 62y divided by z is 15, and then zx minus y is equal to 40. I think the fries being 56 is too much. I think it's too much. But let's look at it. So I'm also doing the calculation. So who has the answer apart from Colina? Now this one is a little bit tricky, taking me some time. Okay, Colina, I'm almost done. So we have one burger plus fries multiplied by burger will give us 60. Then we have two fries, fry plus fry, divided by a hot dog, and that will give us 15. And then we have one hot dog multiplied by the burger minus the fries, that will give us 40. So we have to find a hot dog. And don't worry. Okay, so I think to avoid wasting time, let's proceed with the next one. But I'll finish the calculation for this one and leave the answer in the live chat. So let's continue with the next one. So let's try our hands on this. The red blue controller is 5. Okay. And I don't think any of them is 0. I don't think so. So what are you having for the blue controller? What are you having for the gray controller? My red blue controller is 5. I agree. Then if you look at the red blue controller plus the blue one is equal to 7, which is 5 plus blue is equal to 7. So the blue one will be 7 minus 5. So the blue controller is 2. Yes, the blue is 2. Okay, so if the blue is 2, then the gray is what? The blue is 2. What of the gray controller? The gray plus the blue is 5. That's equation 2. So if the blue is 2, then it means the gray is what? No, have a look at it well. We are saying that the red blue is 5. We agree. The blue is 2. We also agree. The gray is 3. Yes. So what is 5 plus 3 plus 2? So if you add all the 3 of them, what are you getting? 5 plus 2 plus 3. So you are supposed to get 10. Yes, the correct answer there is 10. Very good. All right, so let's look at the next one. Okay, the blue car is 10. I agree. Okay, the yellow vehicle is 5. I agree. What of the bicycle? What of the bicycle? What are you getting for the bicycle? The bicycle is 1. I agree. So what is your total? What is your total? Your total is 15. I agree. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So let's move on to this one. Okay, the peach is 4. I agree. Grape is 6. I agree. Then the apple is 5. So 4, 6, 5. Yes, you are right. You are right. So the apple is 5. The apple is indeed 5. Very good. Let's see the next one. Yes, the grass is 4. The mushroom is 1. And then the coconut tree is 5. I agree. I agree. The coconut tree is 5. I agree. Okay. So the next one. Okay, let's have a look at this one. The cap, yes, the cap is 10. The ball is what? The ball is 4, I agree. What of the ping pong or the racket, whatever you want to call it? Yes, that one is 12. Yes. So what is your final answer? $26. You are right. You are very right. All right, let's move on to the next one. So this is the next one. I believe we've done this already. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. So we have banana, apple, orange. We have to find the sum of all of them. So the banana is 3, okay. The apple is 10, okay. Banana is 3, the apple is 10, okay. The orange is 6. I agree. So what is your final answer? Yes, the final answer is 19. Very good. Very good. So let's move on to the next one. Monkey plus monkey is 6. Banana minus monkey is 13. Banana plus coconut tree is 20. Find monkey plus that. So the monkey is 3, I agree. The banana is 16. I agree. So what of the tree? The monkey is 3. The banana is 16. I agree. Guys, let's engage with me. Let's help her out. Let's also try our hands on the question. Don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel. So what is the 3? Yes, the value of the 3 is 4. All right, so the total here is, so what is our total? The total is 7. Correct. Correct. All right, let's move on to the next one. So we have 2 cheeseburgers is equal to 28. So yes, 1 cheeseburger is 14. I agree. 2 cheese is equal to 16. So what is a cheese plus cheeseburger multiplied by 5? So the cheese is 8. I agree. So what is our answer? What is 8 plus 14 times 5? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Yes, the final answer is 78. You are correct. You are correct. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Pomegranate is 7. Banana is equal to 5 plus pomegranate. Pomegranate is equal to 1 plus grape. So add the 3 of them. What do you get? So yes, obviously the first one is 7. I agree. What of the banana? Yes, so the banana is 12. The grapes is 6. Okay. So what is your final answer? So if you add all, what are you getting? 25. Very good. Very good. 100%. All right. So let's have a look at the next one. All right. Paulina is saying time to sleep. All right. So just look at this one. The strawberries are 5. Okay. The cherry is 0. Okay. I agree. What of the pineapple? The pineapple is 10. So what is your answer? So what is your final answer? What is our final answer over here? 10. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. So, Colina, thank you so much for sticking with me till now. If you want to go and rest, you can rest now whilst we continue. So, to all the other viewers, please engage with me. Let's solve these problems. So, this is the next one that we have. Let's try our hands on it. Who can give us the answer to this problem? Who can give us the answer? So, who has the answer for us? IQ test. Challenge your brains. Okay, anyone with an answer for us? This is the problem. 2 chickens is equal to 24. 1 flamingo plus 1 chicken is equal to 23. 2 flamingo multiplied by a chick is 198. So we have to find a chick plus 2 chickens. Okay, so let's have a look at the answer to this particular one. So we have the chicken. I will use chicken. So the chicken is 12. The chicken is 12. That is what we have for the chicken. Okay, because 12 plus 12 will give us 24. Now the flamingo will be equal to 23 minus 12. That is the chicken. So the flamingo will be 11. The flamingo is 11. Are we okay? Now 2 flamingo is equal to 22. 22 multiplied by what will give us 198. So 198 divided by 22, that will give us 9 as that of the small chick. So the chick is 9. Are we okay? So now that we have that of the chick and the rest, let's find the chick, which is 9 plus 2 chicken. The chicken one is 12, so 2 is 24. So we have here 9 plus 12 plus 12, and that will be equal to 33. And that will be equal to 33. So yes, the answer for this particular question is 33. Guys, are we okay? All right, so let's have a look at the next one. So who has the answer for this one? We have a shrimp plus another shrimp. That will give us 4. Shrimp multiplied by the blue fish will give us 12. 2 blue fish multiplied by 1 light blue fish will give us 84. So we have to find 2 shrimps plus the light blue fish. So what is our answer? Anyone to give us an answer? All right, so the shrimp here, the shrimp is 2. The shrimp is giving me the value of 2, so I have 2 for the shrimp. So the shrimp is 2. I hope we all get that. I hope we all got that. The shrimp is 2. All right, so now that the shrimp is 2, the first fish, or the blue red fish, let me call it that way, that fish that blue red fish is 6. Are we okay? That will give us 6. So this fish is 6. Okay, because 6 multiplied by 2 will give us 12. Now that we have that, twice that fish, that yellow fish, that will give us 12, multiplied by what will give us 84. So 84 divided by 12, and that will give us 7 for the blue fish. So the blue fish is 7. The blue fish is 7. So now that we have the blue fish to be 7, the yellow one, or the red yellow one, is 6. and then we have the shrimp is 2. What is our final answer? What are we getting as the final answer? Anyone from our viewers? What is the final answer? I've given all the parameters in the chat. All right, so the final answer here, the shrimp is 2, the yellow fish is 6, the blue one is 7. So we have to add 2 shrimps, which is 2 plus 2, that will give us 4, plus the 7, that will give us 11. So the final answer here is 11. The final answer here is 11. Very good. Very good. Now let's look at the next one. So guys, we have 2 minutes. Let's find the answer to this one. We have 2 minutes. Let's find the answer to this IQ test question. We have 2 minutes. Our cupcake, what is the answer for the cupcake? The toffee or the sweet, what is the answer for that? And then the pie or the cake, what is the answer for that? Okay, so for our cake or for our cupcake, so for the cupcakes, one cupcake is 6. The cupcake is 6. Then the sweet one is 4. The sweet is 4. And then our cake in this case is 8. Our cake is 8. So now that we have the cupcake is 6, we have the sweet or the toffee is 4, and then we have the cake is 8. What is the final answer? So who can give me the final answer? So who has the final answer for us? So we have 2 cupcakes, which is going to be 6, plus the cake, which is 8. So we have 12 plus 8. So that will give us 20. So our answer over here is 20. So our final answer is 20. Okay, awesome. Guys, please let's engage with me. Let's test our IQ and let's answer the questions. All right, so let's try this one. Let's try the next one. This is the next one that we have. We have an elephant multiplied by a frog is equal to 10. Then the monkey multiplied by the elephant is 20. 3 plus the frog is 8. So we have the frog, the monkey minus the frog multiplied by the elephant? What is that answer? So who has the answer for us? So what is the answer for the frog? What is the answer for the elephant? And what is the answer for the monkey? Who has the answer for us? All right, so let's have a look at it together. So from here, our frog, they say 3 plus the frog is equal to 8. So it means the frog is 5. So the frog is 5. So the frog is 5. So now that we have the frog, we know that the frog multiplied by the elephant is equal to 10. So it means that the elephant is 2. So the elephant is 2. The blue elephant is 2. Okay, so if the blue elephant is 2, what is that of the monkey? The monkey multiplied by the elephant is 20. So if the elephant is 2, it means the monkey is what? What is that of the monkey? So from here, the monkey is 10. The monkey is 10. So since we have the frog is 5, the elephant is 2, and then the monkey is 10, we have to have the monkey minus the frog multiplied by the elephant. So that will be equal to 10 for the monkey minus 5 for the frog times 2 for the elephant. So 5 times 2 will give us 10. So we'll have 10 minus 10. So the final answer is 0. In this particular case, the final answer is 0. I hope we understand. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Guys, let's try our hands on this. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We have a blue controller plus a red blue controller that is giving us 18. Twice the gray controller plus the blue controller will give us 88. And then the blue-red controller multiplied by itself will give us 121. So the blue-red multiplied by the blue controller plus the gray controller will give us what? So who has the answer for us? So who has the answer for the red-blue controller? Okay, so from here, the root of 121 will give me 11. So the blue-red controller, is 11. Okay, the blue-red controller is 11. If it is 11, it means 11 plus the blue controller is 18. So it means the blue controller is what? 7. So from here we can get the value for the blue controller. So the blue controller is 7. Okay. So now that we have the blue red and then the blue controller, we have twice the gray controller, or the gray controller square plus the blue one is equal to 88. So to find the gray one, we subtract the blue from the 88. That will become 88 minus 7. That will give us 81. So from here we have the square root of 81. That will give us 9. So the gray controller is 9. So the gray controller is 9. So now what is the red blue? 11. So we now have 11 multiplied by the blue controller, which is 7, then plus the gray controller, which is 9, and this will be equal to 86 if we multiply first. So we do the multiplication. 11 times 7, that will give us 77, plus 9, that will give us 86. So our answer over here is 86. Guys, are we okay? All right. Let's look at the next one. So let's solve this one. Let's solve this particular one. We have 2 minutes. We have 2 bees is equal to 1 ladybird, or the red bag. Then twice the red bag is equal to 20. So it means the red bag 1 is 10. Then we have the bee plus the butterfly is equal to 8. So we have to find the red bag plus the butterfly, plus the bee multiplied by the butterfly. So what do we have? So who has the answer for us? Okay. So from here, our B is 5. So the B is 5. Okay, because the 2 lady bird or the 2 lady bags will give us 20. So it means 1 is 10. If 1 is 10, we know that twice the bird will give us 1. So it means that the B is 5. Okay. So now that the B is fine, the bag, the red bag in this case, the red bag is 10. So now that we have the red bag, we know that the bee plus the butterfly is 8, and we know the B is 5. So the butterfly is 3. The butterfly here is 3. So what is the total? Guys, let's find the total. What is the total? Anyone with the answer for us? The total? So we have 5 multiplied by 3 plus 10. So this will give us 25. So our answer over here is 25. Are we okay? All right, very good. Now let's proceed to look at the next question. So this is the next one. Let's proceed to have a look at it. Okay. All right. So we have Moechi. Moechi is saying 114. Okay. So Moechi, what are you having? Your answer is correct, by the way. Your answer is correct. It's 114. So that is very true. Let me give you a hands up. Moechi said 114. So what do you have for the smiling emoji? What do you have? Let's just break it down for the viewers. What do you have for the smiling emoji? What do we have for the devil emoji? And what do you have for the love emoji? Moechi, are you there? So what do you have for the smiling emoji? So the smiley emoji, you are supposed to have 10. So for the smiley, you have 10. So this one is 10. The smiley emoji is 10. The devil emoji, is 5. And then the love one, the love emoji, with both eyes shining like a love. The love emoji is 7. Okay, so you have twice the love emoji, that is 14, plus the devil, which is 5, multiplied by 20. So 5 multiplied by 20 will give you 100, plus 14 is 114, like Moechi said. All right, so what is the next one? This is the next one. Anyone with the answer for us? Moechi, what do you have for me? A rabbit plus a fox. Rabbit minus fox. Then 2 rabbits multiplied by 1 fox. What is our answer? Anyone with the answer for the rabbit? Or anyone with the final answer? Okay, so over here the rabbit is 30. The rabbit is 30 over here. And then the fox here is 5. Okay, so the rabbit, which is 30, plus the fox, which is 5, is 35. The rabbit, which is 30, minus the fox, which is 5, is 25. So twice the rabbit. So which means 2 times 30, that will give you 60. Multiplied by 5, that will give you a total of 300. So our answer here is supposed to be 300. The final answer here is 300. Okay, guys, are we okay? So the final answer here is 300. All right, guys, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's have a look at the next one. So who can give us the answer for this one? We have another one here. Rabbit plus a tortoise is 50. The rabbit minus the tortoise is 30. And the rabbit multiplied by twice the tortoise is equal to what? So guys, we have 2 minutes. Let's comment our answer in the live chat. Who has the answer for us? Okay, Tobias. Okay, Tobias, you are getting 800. Yes, you are correct. So please tell us, what do you have for the rabbit and what do you have for the tortoise? Just break it down for us. Engage with me. What do you have for the rabbit? What do you have for the turtle or the tortoise? You are 100% on point. Okay, so the rabbit is 40, I agree. What of the tortoise? Okay, the turtle is 10. Awesome. You are good. You are amazing. All right, so let's have a look at the next one. This is the next one. So what do you have? Tobias, what do you have for me? Tobias, what do you have for me? What is the value for the duck? What is the value for the donkey? And what is the value for one cow? And what is the final answer? Guys, anyone with the answer for us? We can do it. We can do it. On peut le faire. On va le faire. So the duck is 10. I agree. The donkey is 5. I agree. The cow is 1. Excellent. Excellent. So what is the final answer? Don't forget to use board mass. You multiply before you add or subtract. The total is 49. Amazing. Amazing. You are amazing, bro. Amazing. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. Okay, so this is the next one. So what do we have over here? We have a lemon plus watermelon is 24, but mushroom is equal to the watermelon. And then this garden egg multiplied by mushroom will give you 0, but the mushroom minus the watermelon is 8. So what is the lemon minus the watermelon plus the mushroom plus the garden egg? So I'm sure Tobias is busily solving. So let's wait for him a little. So anyone else who has the answer? So what is the value for the lemon? Tobias, what are you getting for the lemon? What are you getting for the watermelon? What are you getting for the mushroom? And what are you getting for the garden egg? Okay, so let me help you a little bit. So for the lemon is 16. The lemon is 16. The watermelon is 8. The watermelon here is 8. The mushroom is 16. And then the garden egg is 0. Okay, the garden egg here is 0. The garden egg is 0. So here we have to find the lemon, which is 16, minus the watermelon, which is 8, plus the mushroom, which is also 16, because the mushroom is equal to the lemon, and then plus 0, which is from the garden egg. So the total, this will give us a total of 24. So our answer over here will be 24. Tobias, I hope you can see. So the answer for this one is 24. Are we okay? All right. So let's proceed to look at the next one. All right. So let's have a look at this one. Tax. You are saying B. I don't know what you are giving that for, but yes. So try and come again so that I will get you. So this is the next one. We have the red triangle, the blue square, and then the yellow or the gold circle. So let's find the value for each shape and then add them together. Okay, guys, thank you for reacting. Thank you for reacting to the stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We do the IQ test every day. It's every day in the evening at 9 p.m. GMT. All right, so who has the answer for the red triangle? The red triangle. Who has the answer for the red triangle? The red triangle. Guys, let's engage with me. Who has the answer for the red triangle? Yeah, you that you are watching. You are watching. I'm waiting for you. You. Yes, you. Yeah, you are just watching. You are waiting for me to give the answer. Please give the answer. Don't just be watching. Give the answer. Brainstorm. Think about it. Okay. So Tess is saying the red triangle is 8. I agree. That is 100% correct. The red triangle is 8. I agree. What of the blue square? What do you have for the blue square? The blue square, what do you have? Now that you found the red, it's very easy. So 3 plus 9, that will give you 12. Just subtract the 8 from that. That will give you the 1 for the blue square. So what is the blue square? Like I said, you that you are watching me, yes, I know you. You that lady, you that guy, yes, you. You know yourself. I'm talking about you. You. Let me know your answer in the live chat. Don't do that. Comment your answer in the live chat. The blue square is 4. Yes, the blue square is 4. The blue square is 4. And then the whole answer is also 14. Awesome. You are great. The whole answer is 14. You are great. Awesome. Awesome. Amazing. Tex, you are amazing. That is the answer. Very good. Very good. Now let's look at the next one. So we have apple, banana, and cherry. But here, let's pay a key attention to the number of bananas. Very important. Like I said, you that you are watching me, okay, and you are afraid, you think your answer will be wrong, so you don't want to comment in the live chat. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nobody knows you. Nobody knows you get it wrong or right. Over here, we don't blame anybody. Every answer is the right answer. Text is saying the whole answer is 12. Slightly off the point. So text, check the number of banana. In the question, you have 4 banana on a bunch. So that's why maybe you get a banana to be 4. But look at the last one. There are 3 on it. It's not 4. It is 3 on it. Check it very well. The cherry is 2. I agree. The banana, 1 piece is 1. And then the apple is 6. I agree. So check it very well. The answer is not 12. It's 1 less than 12. So what is your new answer? There are about, yes, it's 11. Awesome. It's 11. Correct. All right. So let's move on to the next one. We have close to 50. You are saying, come on. Yeah, you are good. We have close to 50 people watching simultaneously. Only tax is man enough to answer. Please don't be afraid. Comment your answer. Nobody knows your username in real life. And this is just for fun. Test your IQ. See how smart you are, boast of how good you are. It feels good to be great, innit? All right, so this is what we have. Let's look at that. We have a flower, an apple, and then this larvae. So don't you that lady watching, you that guy watching, don't just be watching me. Leave it in the comment. So to confirm, is there a leaf in the red apple, or I can't see very well? No, the apple has a green leaf on it, but the last one you only have one of the leaf, one of the larvae, and then one of the apple. But there is no leaf inside the apple. No. No. No leaf inside the apple. All right. So you can continue. So you, that beautiful lady that you are watching the stream right now, and you decided not to answer the question. Why are you doing that? Is that fine? It's not fine at all. Don't do that. Don't be like that. Leave your answer in the live chat. Oh, come on. That handsome gentleman. You can't just be watching. Comment your answer in the live chat. What do you think? What do you think is the answer for the flower? Thank you, Moto. Moto is saying he has 30. Okay. Moto came straight up with 30. Tax is saying 26. The answer I also have here is 30. So tax, the flower is 6. I hope you also got that. Moto, you are right. So the flower is 6, obviously. And then the apple is 3. The apple is 3. And then the larvae, because the larvae is 8. The larvae is 8. So our final thing will be 6 plus 8 times 3. And that will give us 30. Final answer is 30. So first of all, it has to be 8 multiplied by 3, which will give you 24. And that 24 plus 6, which will give you 30. So Moto, you are correct. Tax, please have a look at your question again. So the correct answer here is 30. Awesome. Very good. Let's move on to the next challenge. You are saying, would the missing legs not be counted? No, the missing legs will not be counted. I'm sure that is just an error from the design. Because I'm sure that is just an error from the design. So it will not be counted. The leaf kind of look like there's an extra leaf, but I'm sure it's just a mistake, because the extra leaf, I don't know what you are going to give to it as a number. So yes, let's just stick to the basic. It's 30. All right, so let's have a look at this one. We have 3 butterflies, 2 chrysalis plus 1 butterfly, and then 1 honeybee. So the final question is 2 larvae multiplied by 1 butterfly plus 2 honeybees. Okay, Moto is saying 150. Moto, are you sure? Please break it down and have a look at it again. What are you getting for the butterfly? What are you getting for the green larvae? What are you getting for the honeybee? Let's look at it one by one. It's not up to 1, it's slightly less than 150. Now, to the beautiful ladies and then the beautiful and handsome gentlemen watching me, please leave your answer in the live chat. Test yourself, challenge yourself. You can do it. I believe in you. You believe in yourself. Then you drop your answer in the live chat. So, Moto, what do you have for the butterfly? 1 butterfly, what do you have? Yes, tax, I agree. I also have 128. Moto, the butterfly is 54? No. No. The answer is 128. So the butterfly is 6. So the butterfly is 6. 6 for the butterfly, obviously. And that 6 minus 24 will give you 18. So divided by 2 will give you 9. So the larvae, whatever you want to call it, is 9. Okay. And then the honeybee, we have 2 larvae there, so that is 18. Plus the bee, which is 10, will give you 28. So the bee is 10. The bee is 10. So if the B is 10, 2 times the larvae, so we'll have 2 into brackets the larvae, which is 9, then multiplied by the butterfly, which is 6, then plus 2 times the honeybee, which is 10, and this should give us you can input this into your calculator if you like. This will give us 128, like Taz said in the live chat. So Moto, I hope we are on the same page now. Moto, please, do you get it? I believe you do. All right, so let's move on to the next one. No problem. But I believe you got the answer to the first one. Right. So let's move on to the next one. This is the next one that we have. Now, to the beautiful ladies who are watching the stream and to the handsome gentlemen watching the stream, please leave your answer in the live chat. Like I said, don't do that. Don't just be watching. Don't be a spectator. Partake in this beautiful and sweet IQ test and release some stress. Okay. All right. Moto is saying he has 37. Moto, please break it down. What do you have for the red flower? Yes, I'm also having 26. I also have 26. So Moto, what do you have for the red flower? What do you have for the blue flower? What do you have for the yellow flower? Moto, the 3 red flower will give you 60. So the red flower is 20. Yes, so the red flower is 20. I agree. So what do you have for the blue one? So what do you have for the blue one? Moto, what do you have for the blue flower? No, the blue flower, 1 is 5. 1 is 5. The 2 is 10, I agree, but 1 is 5. So look at it. Because in the final question, you only have 1 there. So find 1, the blue flower, just 1 is supposed to be 5. I hope you get it. Great, great. So what of the yellow flower? The yellow flower, what do you have for the yellow flower? Moto, what do you have for the yellow flower? Oh, Tax, you are leaving me. Tax, don't do that. And Moto, again, the yellow flower, you have 2 over there. So find 1. 1 is 1. The 2 of them is 2, yes, but 1 is 1. Are you okay? So that is how come your value was small. So the yellow is 1 plus the red, which is 20. That will give you 20. That will give you 21 plus the blue one, which is 5. That will give you 26. So the final answer is 26. uh, Moto, Moto. Moto, just bear with me. So just look at it, find them individually, yes. Moto. All right, Moto, you are good. You are good. You are good. You are learning something new. All right, Moto, solve this one for me. So here, I have 2 flamingos. Adding each other is 10. 1 koala plus 1 flamingo is equal to 14. A tiger plus koala is equal to 11. So what is the tiger? Moto. I'm waiting for you. Yes, the tiger is 2. You are correct. Tiger is 2. You are correct. Spot on. You are correct. 100 over 100. Okay, so let's move on to the next one quickly. Like I said, guys, for those of you who are watching, engage with me, interact with me. This thing is very interesting. Okay, it's very, very interesting. From afar, you would think you can do it, but when you are solving it, that is when you know, it is indeed difficult and doesn't look as easy as you can see. Okay, damn, Moto, you are good. You are good. So the tree here is 5. Awesome. The tree here is 5. Correct. It is 5. No need to break it down. If you don't understand how Moto got a 5, interact with me and we'll look at it together. All right, so let's have a look at the next one. Whoa. Moto is on fire, man. Yes, you are getting 3. I also have 3 here. That is good. Correct. Correct for 100 points. All right, let's move on to the next one. So to our beautiful ladies and the handsome gentlemen watching, please engage with me. Try your hands on these sweet and amazing IQ test questions. Okay, we have about 20 to 30 people watching me. Please leave your answer in the live chat. I'll really appreciate that. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We do this IQ test every day, every single day. Every day we have new set of questions for us. So Modo, what do you have as the final answer for me over here? Moto, what do you have for me? So what do you have for the grapes? What do you have for the chicken? And what do you have for one corn? And what do you have as the final answer? Moto, are you there? Any other person apart from Moto to give us the answer to this one? Okay, so let's have a look at it. So we have 3 grapes giving us 45. So it means that 1 is equal to 15. So a grape is equal to... All right. So Mark is saying 25. Mark, is the 25 for 1 grape? No, it's too much. 1 grape is not equal to 25. And the final answer is also not 25. No. One grape is supposed to be 15. Mark, I hope you get me. A grape is supposed to be 15. So the red grapes are 15, because 15 plus 15 plus 15 will give us, yes, the grapes are 15. I agree. What of the chicken? Chicken times chicken times chicken is 125. So it's like chicken cube. So the chicken is what? What is the chicken? Moto and then Mark. What do you have for the chicken? It's like chicken cube is equal to 125. So find the cubic root of 125. You get your answer. Moto. We have chicken times chicken times chicken. It's like s times x times x. So it's going to be s cubed. X raised to the power 3 is equal to 125. So the chicken is supposed to be 5. So 5 times 5 will give you 25. 25 times 5 is going to give you 125. And yes, Mark, the final answer is 75. I agree. So the chicken is 5. Then one corn. Corn is 1. Corn is 1. So your final answer is 75, like Mark said. Okay, so the final answer is 75. Yes, Moto. Yes, so the final answer is 75. Yes, exactly. Moto. It's 75. Very good. Mark, this one is IQ test. The one for the calculus has passed. We finished that one a while ago. So if you want to do calculus, you can join the stream tomorrow at 7 p.m. GMT. That one, you see my face and you see me writing. We actually solve problems, objective past questions, and subjective past questions as well. So join tomorrow at 7 p.m. GMT for calculus. So just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. GMT, you'll be notified of my stream. Are you okay? Then you can join for the calculus. Awesome. Now, what is the answer for this one? What do you have for the bulb? What do you have for the padlock? What do you have for the key? To the beautiful ladies who are watching, please leave a comment in the live chat. Try your hands on these questions. And to the gentlemen, don't do that. You are a man. Don't be afraid of these questions. Give it a go. You can do it. I believe you. You can do it. You are a man. Face it head on. Okay. Moto is saying 30. Slightly off the point. I have 32. So, Moto, what do you have for the bulb? Hey, Mark is getting 35 and I have 32. So, who has it wrong? Okay, so guys, let's break it down. What do we have for the bulb? What are we having for the bulb? Moto and Mark, What do you have for the bulb? Moto is saying 40. It's still higher. I have 42. So for the bulb plus the bulb plus the bulb is 4. So the bulb is 4. I'm sure you were trying to write 4 instead of 40. Yes. So the bulb is 4. Yes. So what of the padlock? What are we getting for the padlock? What are we getting for the padlock? Don't forget, yes, the padlock is 7. I agree. So what are we getting for the key? What are we getting for the key? So the key will be 15 minus the padlock. Yes, so the key is 4. I agree. The key is 4. Moto, the key is 4. You have 2 keys, so you divide it by 2. The key is 4 each. So the last answer is 4 for the bulb multiplied by 7. 4 multiplied by 7 for the padlock, and then plus 4. That is what our final answer is going to be like. So what is 4 times 7? Is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Then that 28 plus 4, that will give you 32. Yes. Yes. So Mark, the correct answer is 32. The correct answer is 32. Right. Moto, I'm glad you also agree. Awesome. Now let's look at the next one. We will close exactly at 11 p.m. GMT. So we have 7 more minutes and then we will close. So what do we have for this one? What do we have for the diamond? What do we have for the ice cube? And what do we have for the crystal? The purple crystal. And what is our... Yes, the total answer is 19. Mark, you are right. Moto is getting 26. Moto, let's break it down. What do you have for the diamond? Moto, what do you have for the diamond? So yes, the diamond is 5. I agree. Then what do you have for the ice cubes? The cube is 3. I agree. Mark, what do you have for the purple thing? The purple thing is 4. I also agree. Yeah, so the final answer is 5 times 3 plus 4. 5 for the diamond, 3 for the cube, 4 for the purple thingy. So it's 5 times 3, which is 15. Then 15 plus 4 is 19. So the correct answer is 19. So 19 is the answer. Moto, I hope you understand. Okay. I believe Moto does. So let's proceed to the next one. So this is the next question. All right. Moto has 23. Mark has 23. Very good. You both are correct. So there's no need we go through. I also have 23. So the tractor is 4. I agree. The wall is 5. I agree. And then the spanner and then the hammer is 3. Okay. Very good. So you have 4 times 5 plus 3. So Yes. 5, 3. Yes. The tractor is 4. Yes. So 4 multiplied by 5, that will give you 20, plus 3, that is 23. So you guys are correct. You guys are right. Okay, let's look at the next one. So this is the next one. Moto is saying 18. Okay. So Mark, what do you have for us? Moto has 18. Hey, Mark, why from the 193.37? Hey, Mark, let's break it down. What do you have for the owl? The owl looking thing, the bed. What do you have for the bed? Mark, your answer is scaring me. So what do you have for the bed or the owl? Yes, the owl is 3. I agree. What of that fruit? That fruit in the middle, what do you have? The answer is 18. I agree. But for the fruit in the middle, what is the fruit? The value of one fruit is what? The fruit is 4. I don't know what I should say. It's coconut or bed. It's 4. The fruit is 4. And then what is the squirrel? Yes, so the final answer is 18. Yes. So the answer is 18. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now this one is a very tough one. It's giving us a lot of problem. Let's jump that one. That one gave us a lot of things. Okay. Mark, so this is the new one that we have. Look at it well and let's go. So Mark, the red blue controller, what do we have? The blue controller, what do we have? Moto is getting 9.5. Is it 9.5 for all of them? Please, let's break it down one after the other and see what we have. Because I have a whole number here. So what do you have for the red blue controller? The one with the red and blue controller, what do you have for it? The red blue controller, what do we have for it? Yes, the red blue controller is 5. I agree. What of the blue one? Just the blue one is what? What of the blue controller? Remember, the blue plus the red blue will give you 7. Mark, where from the... Yes, the blue one is 2. I agree. So team, welcome. Team, the blue one is 2. I agree. What of the green one? The gray one, sorry. What of the gray one? The ash looking or the gray looking controller. What do you have for that one? So the red blue is 5. The blue is 2. What of the gray one? Yes, the final answer is 10. The final answer is 10. So the gray controller is 3. So the final answer is the blue red, which is 5, plus the blue one, the gray one, which is 3, plus the blue one, which is 2, and that will give me 10. Okay, so team, and then Mark, I hope we are also getting the same thing. Team and Mark, I hope you are getting the same thing. All right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then let's proceed. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So what do we have for this one? So what do we have for the blue car? What do we have for the yellow car? And what do we have for the bicycle? What do we have for the blue car? What do we have for the yellow car? And what do we have for the bicycle? Moto team, and then Mark, are we there? All right, so Zaman is saying 16. Zaman, are you sure? So Zaman, please, what do you have for the blue car? What is your value for the blue car? Yes, the blue car is 10, I agree. What do you have for the yellow vehicle or the car? The yellow car. Yes, I agree. The blue one is 10. What of the yellow? The yellow is 5, I agree. What of the bicycle? What of the bicycle? Moto, the yellow is 5. You have to divide it by 2. The yellow is, yes, the bicycle is 1. Zaman, you are right. So if we add all 3 of them, sorry, so it is the yellow, which is 5, plus the bicycle, which is 1, times the blue vehicle, which is 10. Are we okay? So you do the multiplication first. Zaman, you do the multiplication first. So you have 5 plus 1 times 10. So 1 times 10 will give you 10, plus 5 will give you 15. Oh, okay. So it's multiplication. So you multiply first. You multiply first. You multiply first before you add. So the correct answer now is what? So what is your final answer now? Zaman, what is your final answer? 15. You are correct. 15. You are correct. Moto. I hope you also get it. Guys, I think I'm almost out of questions. I'm almost out of question. So we'll end soon. This is the second to last question, then we end for today. So what is the value for the peach? What is the value for the grapes? What is the value for the apple? And what is our final answer? Oh, Delena. Delena, you are welcome. Yes, the apple is 5. It's true. But Delena, what do you have for the peach? What do you have for the grapes? Yes, the final. The apple is 5. I agree. Zaman, I agree. The apple is 5. I agree. But what do you have for the peach? Just for reference sake, what do you have for the peach? What do you have for the grapes? The peach is 4. I agree. What of the grapes? Yeah, the grapes are 6. Very good. And then the apple is as you guys have said in there. All right. So let's find this one. Yes, the Lena, the 3 is 5. Yes, it's true. Zaman is 5. Very true. Very true. You guys are correct. 100%. All right. So guys, this is the last question because these ones are the previous one. We've already done them. But if you guys still want to go through, we can go through quickly. But this is the last. These ones are the old ones. We've already done this. But if Lena and Zaman, you are still interested, we can quickly go through. So if you are doing this one, what will be your answer? The learner is saying 26. Okay. Zaman, what do you have? Matthew, are you still with us? All right. You also have 26. You guys are correct. What of this one? Yes, the heart is 10. I agree. The ball. Okay. Ah, Delena, you're not going to make me sleep. Okay, Delena, this, what is the value for the tiger? Matthew, okay, it's 2. You guys are right. You guys are right. We do this. We do this. I'm here for you guys. You guys are right. It's 2. I agree. Let's move on. Okay, the learner has 19. Okay, Zaman, what do you have? Zaman, what do you have? Okay, it's either Zaman is having a network problem or he is sadly off the stream. Okay, yes, but the answer is 19. Okay, the answer is indeed yes. Zaman is 6 plus 3 plus 10, which is 19. I agree. I agree. Very good. So, what is the next one? Okay, Zaman is saying 7. The learner is saying 7. Nasser, Nasser, what were you writing? What was your answer? Yes, the answer is 7 over here. Nasser, do you have 7 for us? Okay, you guys are good. You guys are amazing. Guys, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, Zaman has 78. Awesome. Awesome. Leonard 78. Oh, you guys are on fire, man. You guys are good. 78. Very good. Very good. Very good. So the next one. 25. Okay. Delena, what do you have? Delena, what do you have? Well, it seems Delena is having a problem. Either he's off the stream. All right. There's no way Delena will be off the stream. This is too small for him. All right. You guys are correct once again. All right. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay. Zaman is having 10. What do you have? Lena is also having 10. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. That is true. Let's look at the next one. Delena is having 33. Okay. Zaman, what do you have? Whoa. Zaman, you're having 35. Let's break it down. What do you have for the cock or the chicken? So let's use hen in this case for language sake. What do you have for the hen? Okay, it's 12. What do you have for the flamingo? The flamingo, what do you have? The flamingo is 11. And then the chick is 9. No, 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 no. Please, the flamingo is 11. The flamingo is 11. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. You are saying the hen, you have 12. Okay. Then the flamingo is supposed to be 11. Okay, you now agree. Okay, very good. So what do you have for the chick? What do you have for the chick now? 11 for the flamingo, yes. So what do you have for the chick? The baby hen, what do you have for it? You are supposed to get 9 for the small hen or the chick. So the total answer is supposed to be yes. So the total answer is supposed to be 33 because you have 2 hen, which is 12 plus 12 plus the chick, which is 9. So 24 plus 9, that will give you 33. So you are supposed to get 33. Yes. All right. So let's look at the next one. All right. You're saying you are tired. Now, this has been fun. I'm glad you loved it. Yes, I'll see you tomorrow. So just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button. Anytime I go live, you will know. We'll go live tomorrow early in the morning, 6 a.m. GMT. Okay. So today is 22nd. So 23rd, which is tomorrow, we'll go online 6 a.m. in the morning GMT. So convert it to your time. Matthew, thank you so much. I really enjoyed the session with you. Digital is saying 123. No, digital. Oh, okay. So it means you are 1 hour ahead of me. Matthew, where are you from? Matthew, from which country are you? Delena is saying 11. Yes, Delena, the answer for this particular one is 11. It's 11. Anyone else? All right, Delena, it is 11. So let's move on to the next one. All right, Delena, you have 20. You are right. You are right. Delena, mind you, when it's exactly 11:30 GMT my time, we will end the stream. But I've been streaming for over 2.5 hours now, almost 3 hours. All right. So Delena, what do you have for me for this one? We have some few minutes more to end. Delena, what do you have for me? 0. Please, you are right as always. You are very good. Very good. IQ over 3,000. IQ of over 3,000. All right, let's look at the next one. Elena, what do you have for this one? You have 86, so do I. All right, very good. So I'll proceed to the next one. Now, Delena, if you've solved any of the questions before, let me know, right? Because some of these, I believe I've solved them before, but you were not here, so we are just going through those ones. So if we come across a question that you've solved already, let me know. So try your hands on this one. You have 25, so do I. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. So for the rest who are watching, please, we are about to end the stream in 4 minutes. Make sure you interact with us and answer the questions. Elena, you are having what, 39 here? No, please look at it again. Yes, look at it again. We have two love emojis, one devil, and then two smiley emoji. So some are adding, some are multiplying. So look at it again. $114. Very good. Very good. So the last one, let's look at the last one for today, the learner. The last one, and then we'll continue in the morning. This is the last one. Last question. No, but yes, your answer is correct. It's still 114. So this is the last one. Okay, what is your answer over here? Yes, 300. Yes, you are right. We did solve it yesterday. Okay. Yes, it's true. So let me give you, yep. So the learner, thanks so much for sticking with me until the end. We'll continue. We'll continue tomorrow at early in the morning, 2 a.m. GMT. So just change it to your time, and then you and I will meet. Okay, I will have a different set of questions for you tomorrow. Yes, it was fun as well. It was fun as well. So at my end, it's still 22nd October. So tomorrow, which is 23rd October for me, early in the morning at 6 a.m. GMT, 6 a.m. GMT, 6 a.m. GMT, we will meet. Are you okay? So the learner, have a wonderful night rest. I'm sure it's morning by your end wherever you are, but have a wonderful evening rest, and I will see you tomorrow. Are you okay? Early in the morning, 6 a.m. GMT. We'll have a different set of IQ test questions, and then we'll look at them. Are you okay? So thank you so much for joining, and I will see you in few hours time. That's like 6 hours from now. Roughly 6 hours from now, I will see you. Are you okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end, and bye bye.